Welcome to Aunt Wu's fortune telling hut. We've been expecting you. I'm the EarthStruckArtist, and today I'm heavily missing my girlfriend, so I'm going to make her a Panda Lily from Avatar. I already started making it before recording, so I'll be showing examples of the parts that I didn't get to film. The stem of the flower is made from a green piece of pipe cleaner. I cut to the length that I wanted, and then cut off all the extra fluff that was sticking off of it, saving the fluff for later because it will be used for the center of the flower. Then I cut a long piece of green silky ribbon to the length that I wanted, and melted the ends using a lighter, that way it wouldn't fray. Be careful not to burn yourself at this step. Then I took the ribbon and I wrapped it around the entire length of the pipe cleaner. Make sure that the ribbon overlaps itself, that way the pipe cleaner doesn't peek through. I originally used pins on both ends of the pipe cleaner, that way it'd stay in place as I wrapped it. Once you do that, you're going to sew both ends in place, that way it won't wobble off at the end. The leaves were also made from the same ribbon. The petals are 3 crisscross long strips of paper that have been cut to narrow points on each end, with the edges painted black on both sides. Curling and bending the edges of the paper will give them that wavy look that the flower has. Then you're going to bend the 2 bottom petals curving downward and the top one curving upward. The center of the flower is a green pom-pom that I glued the excess fluff from the pipe cleaner onto to make it a darker shade of green. The pistils in the center of the flower were made from cut and painted pieces of cardstock, but I didn't like how thick the stems were on it, so I ended up cutting them off and then replacing them with a piece of twist dye that I had painted green and glued on in its place. This made it lighter, thinner, and posable. Who would you make a Panda Lily for? And what other fantasy items should I make? Drop a comment down below.